People are looking for easy ways to earn quick money on YouTube. These people prefer channels such as relaxing music, rain sound video, and meditation video niche. However, they remain unsure whether this type of channels can or cannot be monetized. Today, I'm going to answer your question and also show you how to do it correctly so you can monetize your channel and start making money as soon as possible. So let's start with some common misconception about this type of niche. We frequently hear from YouTube experts that these channels can be monetized through ads revenue on YouTube, and they even show you the complete tutorial on how to create those videos and make your content longer by looping the music. Just by doing these simple steps, you could earn hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars per year. They get the data from a website called Social Blade. Social Blade is a statistic website that allows you to track analytics regardless of whether the channels are monetized or not. So is it still possible to make money on this type of channel? Will YouTube accept your channel into YouTube Partner Program? The answer is no. But even if you were accepted, you will not earn much from ad revenue because people came to your channel looking for relaxation music and to relax their minds. If you put ads every 30 minutes on your video, people will simply unsubscribe from your channel and find another similar channel without advertisements. So you should not believe what you see on Social Blade. But if you know the ways, by doing the right things, you will get your channel monetized, not by ads revenue alone, but other ways as well to potentially maximize your earnings. I'll explain why and how to do it, so make sure to stay till the end. I promise it will help you greatly. Now, why is it that using free royalty music and images will not get you monetized? Using free royalty music such as music from Envato and images from Pexels or Pixabay will still not make YouTube accept your channel for monetizations. There is no denying that you are free to use those music and images on your channel, but that doesn't give you the right to claim that they are your original work, because hundreds if not thousands of people are downloading the same piece of content, and that content has been uploaded to YouTube an unknown numbers of times. YouTube classified that content as repetitive. Now, take this as an example. Going to a store and purchasing Ariana Grande's music album does not give you the right to claim ownership of the music, even if you paid for it. You only pay for the album, not the rights to the music. The same is true for signing up for Envato. You pay a subscription fee to use their music, but you do not own it. Anyone can subscribe to Envato and use the same piece of music. So, tell me how to do it correctly. YouTube wants its creator to produce original content. In addition, the YouTube Partner Program will only accept original content. There are two ways to create this type of channel and get YouTube approval for monetization. And I'll also share two bonus tips on how to maximize your earnings. The first option is to go to Fiverr website and hire a music composer. The cost can range from $15 to $100, but be careful who you work with. Read their profile carefully and contact them to discuss your requirements. Some Fiverr music composers create this type of music, but they sell the same piece of music to anyone who inquires about it. And once again, even if you hire someone out of your own pocket, you will be denied entry into the YouTube Partner Program because these music composers sells it to anyone, and there is a very high chance you will receive repetitive content. Instead, look for a composer like this. It is clearly stated that this piece of music will only be owned by you, and that after payment and work, the composer will transfer ownership to you, and you will now own this music completely. Make sure you message them and emphasize this point, telling them you're going to use it on your YouTube channel and want to monetize it, and that you're completely certain that this music was specially composed for you only. The second option is to start creating your own music for your channel if you're a musician. This channel, Meilan, composed their own music, owns the rights to all of the music in their channel, and has millions of subscribers and views. And this channel creates music for meditation and healing. What makes her channel unique is that she records her videos by showing herself throughout the entire video on how she creates music using her instruments, talents, and angelic voice. She had near to 600,000 subscribers, and her most popular video received 2.9 million views. You don't need to prove your music to YouTube, whether it's original or not, because you're recording yourself. It it is sufficient evidence to show YouTube that's my original content. So if you're someone like her, you can consider doing this. The bonus tips on how to maximize your earnings through this type of channel is to become an affiliate partner on sites like Amazon. You place your affiliate links in the video's description box. Let's assume you're selling a sound machine because that's exactly what they are looking for. Some people do not subscribe to YouTube Premium and may be interrupted by advertisements, so a sound machine is what they need. This video generated about 3.1 million views in 1 year, and it is clear that there were 3.1 million people who visited this channel. If 1% of the 3.1 million people who click on your affiliate link, 31,000 of people visited your Amazon page and check out on this product. Consider this sound machine on Amazon, which costs around $21.99. For every successful customer who purchased this product through your link, you'll receive a commission. Amazon pays 5% commission to their affiliate partners on digital music products. So let's do the math. We assume only 10% of the 31,000 of people who view the product are serious buyers. So we have 3,100 serious customers. Each sound machine costs about $21.99. Multiplied by 3,100, we have a total sales of 68,000. And because we get 5% commission on every sale, we generate $3,408. And this is your extra side income from your affiliate link itself from just a single video. And because you paste your affiliate links on all of your videos, you could potentially increase your revenue from this product alone. Or you can also paste your website link in your description box, and those who visit your official website will notice a section where you include your other social platforms, such as Spotify. Spotify allows artists and producers to publish audio content and earn royalties. They pay royalties once a month based on the number of views an artist's work has received. For 1,000 Spotify streams, you will most likely earn between $2 to $4. The average payout per stream is 0.003. So you have 1 million streams that month, then take 1 million multiplied by 0.003 and you earn $3,000. And this is insane. With just one video, you'll be able to increase your income. You only need to do the work once and then use other platforms to make more money from the same thing repeatedly. That's all for now. Stay tuned for my next upload.